Gen Z and those going off to college for the first time, you're about to get a crash course in adulting. Hopefully, you have some good habits that you have learned already in high school, living at home, or wherever you're living, because that's going to be important. Newsflash, no one is going to remind you when to get up, when to do your homework, or when you need to clean your room. If you don't have a good habit already, you better find one and some discipline really quick. These beginning weeks are very critical, so don't blow them off because how you start is important to the success on how you're going to finish well. Because once you get off track, it's like a race and exhausting to get back on track. So let's talk about a couple quick tips as you start your first year of college. Get a planner or some wall calendar or anything electronic, that is fine. You want to keep track of everything that you're responsible for doing, your assignments, your papers, tasks, etc. So, I wish I learned this early on when I first started. Take all of your syllabus. You should have them by now if you started school already, or if you're starting school soon, you'll get them. And write down every assignment, every paper, every task with a due date, and put it on your calendar or planner or wall calendar, whatever you have. It's important to stay organized and get organized from the jump. Next, find a quiet place to study. Yes, I said study. I found libraries to be very helpful, or just a quiet place on campus. If you can study in a dorm room, more power to you, but I needed somewhere to go that was super quiet for me to concentrate and to really study well. And make time for your social life. This is the best part of your life, college is, so you'll never get this time back, so make time to have fun. Join organizations and get involved on campus, but I do recommend waiting till your sophomore or junior year if you plan to join a sorority or fraternity. Sit back your freshman year and observe. Figure out, which organization you vibe with or you think you'll vibe with, and then get your grades up and maintain a great GPA. You don't have to announce your intentions, just attend the events and parties and just see how they vibe. This is a whole different topic. I'll save that for another video. And most importantly, have fun, work hard. Again, this is the only time in your life that you kind of have the opportunity to be carefree. Reach out, get advice and help from others immediately when you know you're going to need it. Use your resources, please. Okay, anyone else have any tips? Please drop your comments below and have a great first year.